Have you ever heard that something as simple as salt could completely transform the way you clean your mattress? It might sound unusual at first, but once you see this method in action, you'll never look at mattress cleaning the same way again. I first learned this trick from an experienced hotel housekeeper, someone who has spent years maintaining spotless, fresh-smelling rooms every single day. And if there's one thing professionals like that understand better than anyone, it's how to clean deeply, efficiently, and without wasting money on expensive products. So today I'm going to show you exactly how this simple but powerful method works, and why it has become a regular part of my cleaning routine at home. Let's start with what you'll need. Take any container or bowl you have at home. Into it, add a generous amount of salt. Yes, just regular salt. This is the key ingredient that helps lift dirt, absorb moisture, and neutralize odors trapped deep inside your mattress. Next, add some detergent. Any type you already use at home will work perfectly. This helps break down stains and oils that build up over time. After that, add a small amount of fabric softener. This step is optional, but highly recommended if you want your mattress to smell fresh and clean, just like in a luxury hotel room. Finally, pour in about 200 milliliters of water. Now mix everything together thoroughly. Take your time here. You want to make sure the solution is completely uniform, with all the ingredients fully combined. At this point, you might be wondering, does this really work? Well, here's where the magic happens. Take a clean dish towel and soak it completely in the mixture. Make sure it absorbs enough of the solution, but don't let it drip excessively. Now comes the most important step, the part that makes all the difference. Take a pot lid and use it as a base. Place the soaked cloth over the lid, wrapping it tightly so it stays in place. This simple tool will help you apply even pressure while cleaning, making the process much more effective. Before we move on, take a moment and comment below. Where are you watching from? I'd love to know, and I always enjoy connecting with viewers from around the world. All right, now let's continue. With the cloth securely wrapped around the lid, start gently pressing it onto the mattress. Use firm, circular motions as you move across the surface. Don't rush, work section by section. As you do this, you'll begin to notice something satisfying. Dirt, dust, and hidden grime start lifting away much more easily than you expected. The combination of salt and detergent works together to break down stubborn stains, while the fabric softener leaves behind a fresh, pleasant scent. This method is especially useful if you've tried everything before and still couldn't get rid of those annoying marks or odors. And the best part? You're not using any expensive or harsh chemicals, just simple household ingredients that are safe, affordable, and effective.